Hello everyone and welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture we are going to see the basics of LEDs and resistors. So let us get started. All of us know the basics of diode. A diode is an electronic device or an electronic component that will allow the current only to pass in a single direction. So the light emitting version of a diode is known as LED or light emitting diode. So the light emitting diodes look like these. Okay. So these are the red LEDs. They glow with red color. If you want this LED to glow, then you will have to connect it in a very specific way to a battery or a power source. A LED has got two legs. One leg is known as anode and another leg is known as cathode. So the longer leg here is an anode and the shorter leg is known as cathode. So let us see a demonstration of LED connected to a power source. So now this is a breadboard connected to a power supply, and as you can see here, for this power supply the jumper setting is at 3.3 volt. Now I am just going to connect this LED such that the longer leg is connected to the positive and the shorter leg is connected to the negative or ground, and I am just going to go ahead and power this thing up. So this is the red LED glowing and it is receiving 3.3 volt of power supply. So this is how an LED glows. Now if I want to reverse the connection such that the longer leg is connected to the negative and the shorter leg is connected to the positive of the battery, then this arrangement is definitely not going to work, because in the end of the day it is a diode. Now the power supply is switched on and the LED is not glowing because this is a diode and it will allow the current only to pass in a single direction. So this is the basic of the LED. Now we are going to have a look at another electronic component known as resistor. We know the Ohm's law, and Ohm's law says that the voltage in any circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through that circuit, and the constant for this equation is known as resistance. Okay. So the equation is something like V equal to IR. So V is voltage, I is current and R is the resistance of the circuit. So now here in this case the voltage is constant. So here the voltage is 3.3 volt or 5 volt depending on the jumper settings. So introduction of resistor is going to determine how much current is going to flow through the entire circuit. So let me show you a resistor, and you must have actually seen the resistors in various electronic circuits. So this is 270 ohm of resistor. The unit of measuring the resistance is known as ohms. So this is a 270 ohm resistor. Now we can use this resistor in following way. We can add this resistor between the power source and the LED. So now we are going to add this resistor like this, and we are going to connect a LED to the power source through this resistor. So this resistor and the LED, both of them are in series with each other. So the longer leg or the anode of the LED is connected to the positive and the shorter leg is connected to negative or ground through the resistor. Now if I want to switch on this circuit, then LED is going to glow like this, and this resistor is limiting the amount of current this entire circuit is drawing, because again let me tell you the formula, V equals to IR. So here voltage is constant, which is 3.3 volt, and depending on the value of the resistor, the circuit is going to draw the current from this power source. So in a way, resistors are used for limiting the current. Now let us try something else. Here we have a 270 ohm resistor in series with a LED. Now we are going to choose another resistor, and the value of that resistor is going to be 330 ohms, and it is going to be in series with another LED like this. Let us connect the longer leg of this to positive and shorter leg to the ground or negative through the resistor like this. Now this one is 270 ohms and this one is 330 ohms, and both are red LEDs. So now I am going to switch on the circuit and let us see what happens. As you can see, the LED which is connected to a resistor with smaller resistance value, that is 270 ohms, is glowing more than this one. So this LED is connected to 330 ohms. So if your resistance is more, the current your circuit is drawing from the power source is going to be less, as this particular resistor has got bigger resistance value, it is drawing less current from the power source, and this particular resistance has got lesser value, that's why it is drawing more current from this power source. So this is how we can use resistors, power supplies and LEDs in order to create the circuits. So this is very much essential for electronic prototyping. So we are going to use resistors, LEDs and power sources frequently during our electronic prototyping tutorials and practicals. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you next time.